Hello everyone, this is Sumit Bhatia. I'm working in Sitecore from last 4 years, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that is introduced in Sitecore 10.1 SXA, and this is called HTML includes. So what Sitecore says about HTML includes is with HTML includes you can define chunks of HTML that you want to be rendered into the HTML for a page. This can give faster load times and improve maintainability since you can use external front-end assets. You can define any HTML and configure it to render on any of the available locations in your HTML. HTML includes are configured for SXA theme, and you can use them both for the theme that are assigned to components and that is assigned to a page. So quickly I will show you how we can configure this HTML includes. So let me show you by expanding this. So this is my tenant and these are the sites, two sites. So I will configure the HTML include for one of this site called Decoria Local. So this site is associated with the theme. So we'll quickly go into the theme that resides under the media library, uh, then theme, then this is a folder and this is my theme. I will expand the theme. So here you can see the folder HTML includes. So you can create the folder using the insert options. So on the on my theme, I will use insert option and I can choose this HTML includes folder here. So once you click this and you can provide any kind of name. So it will create a folder like this one. So this is called HTML includes. Okay, before adding HTML includes, let me show you how the page looks like when we do not have the HTML includes on the page. So this is my home page, and you can see that this contains a partial design for header, partial design for footer, and these are some menu items that are showing on the page. So this is not coming with the HTML includes because we have not added yet into the theme. So now on the content editor window, I can use insert option like insert, and I can add HTML includes here. So I will add HTML includes for header because I want to show a chunk of HTML on the header. So I have created this item. So for the make it simple, so I will add a normal div and I will add this will render on the header. Okay, after adding the chunk of HTML, you can see that this provides you the location here. So location are you want to put it on the head, you want to put it on the body top, or you want to put it on the body bottom. So whatever location you will provide, it will add here. And if you do not provide any location, so it will by default add on the head part. So let me add a head location here and let me save that one. Now, once I will refresh my page, you will see that this HTML include is rendered on the top of the page. So this is all about this HTML includes, and we can also add multiple HTML includes that will be rendered on the page. So let me add one more for you. So I will add HTML includes for footer, and I will add a div here called this will render at the footer, and I'm closing this div. Okay, now I will add that at the body bottom. Okay, so now once I've saved that, I have now you can see that we have two HTML includes, and let me refresh the page, and now you can see that this is coming for the header and this is coming for the footer. So this is all about this HTML includes. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.